All is not well in South Africa, and President Cyril Ramaphosa is in trouble. Not only Cyril Ramaphosa, but the trouble extends to Zimbabwe. Wycliffe Chivayo is now the focal point. So Ramaphosa was in Zimbabwe recently, in the past few days, and there was a lot of talking. One thing before we get into the video, which is very crucial and critical, we need to take a look onto two things, two contradictions. Zimbabwean state broadcaster ZBC said Ramaphosa was in Zimbabwe on a private visit, but the South African presidency said that Ramaphosa was in Zimbabwe on a working visit. That is the first thing. The second thing is Cyril Ramaphosa was seen in the company of Chivayo and others. And here is the response of his office to that.
Both presidents agreed to retreat to President Mnangagwa's farm, where they would engage in a relaxed environment and outside of the constraints of presidential formality protocol. Over and above the planned meeting, the president was interested in learning how President Mnangagwa is assisting local farmers in the area that neighbor his farm. As the presidency, we've noted with concern the reports that have since surfaced following this visit by the president to Zimbabwe, identifying an individual who is a person of interest to our law enforcement, who was also present during the visit. President Ramaphosa had no prior knowledge of who would be present during the visit, nor was he familiar with the said individual. The president flew to Zimbabwe for a meeting with his counterpart and nothing else. The president will further encourage our law enforcement agencies to continue with pursuing the matters that are under investigation involving these individuals or individual, and to do so with no fear or any form of hesitation.
The presidency in South Africa had to say, we are talking about the people who work from the president's office. So it's very interesting to see that this is what they say. But let us take a look onto this one. When you're looking onto the screen, this is a report from ZBC. ZBC say that Cyril Ramaphosa paid a courtesy private visit to President Mnangagwa at his cricket farm in Kwekwe, where the two leaders held discussions and exchanged views on a range of issues aimed at strengthening cooperation and growing the economies of sister republics. This is what they said. Then, surprisingly, the South African presidency's office issued a similar, not a similar statement, but their own statement, a contradicting statement. They say that His Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa undertook a working visit to the Republic of Zimbabwe for an engagement with his Zimbabwean counterpart, His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa, to discuss issues of mutual and bilateral interests. So a private versus a working visit, that is a pure contradiction. Why would these people contradict each other? It's because the visit itself was not just a visit. It was something else. There is a lot of interest which were discussed during that visit. So when you're looking at this situation which is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe right now, you could sense one thing. Both South Africa and Zimbabwe, they will be plunged into chaos because of what Zvigananda are doing. Soon after that meeting, Zvigananda were heard dismissing kuti anda kuzviitani. Imagine such a situation of my reports coming out kuti maitaura kuti anda kuzviitani, anda kuzvimisa, this and that. So others are saying he was invited by President Emmerson Mnangagwa according to the video which we played, whilst ZANU-PF Mafia tries to make it look like Cyril Ramaphosa just came to visit President Emmerson Mnangagwa to see 1, 2, 3. That's a different thing. A meeting was held. We talked about that meeting. But when you are looking at critical issues, I can't find the photos right now, but I would have loved to show you some of the photos where Chivayo and others, they were present in that meeting. That is the craziest part of everything else, because when a president is coming, there are people who have to brief him. This is who, this is that, this is that, this is that. Those people are very important because that is their role. That is the reason why they get paid. They have to advise the president because they know that Chivayo does have cases in South Africa, not yet resolved. What it means is these people, they would know for sure that there is need to appraise their president, the people around him, so that critical measures could be taken. And they fail to do that because you know how Mafidi operates. These people, they don't care about protocol, don't care about anyone else, they care about their own interests, they care about whatever which they are pursuing. That is the reason why you see Pakauya Botswana president, Chigananda was there chichimiramira. Izvezvi yauya, Chigananda chine chiripo, pese pane munhu wese auya, whoever visits Zimbabwe, anenge aripo achingomira aripo. When we said those words, takanzi tinovenga, you are simply attacking the president, but now it's backfiring, and they cannot justify their actions. They are trying by all means possible to run around B, C, D, blah, 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 blah. How are they going to be able to do when the people they are dealing with are compromised? When that person is being supported in Zimbabwe, how are they going to make a move and make sure that they seize Chivayo and they deal with him accordingly? Because it's a mess already. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. There is fire, overwhelming fire from South Africa. It's not going to end well in South Africa because of this culture